Good morning, guys. I'm just heating up some dinner from yesterday. Made some eggs for Dion. And I'm listening to Philip K. Dick, an interview he had in France, I believe, talking about, well, I guess, dimensional jumping, alternate dimensions, and the Mandela effect and such. I recently had an experience that is basically, I mean, in the past I was kind of opening up to the idea of dimensional jumping and alternate dimensions because of some personal experiences I had, but it was always a matter of being like 90% sure, 95% sure that some detail had been different in the past. But then yesterday I found out that Stephen King, the horror thriller writer, was in fact not born blind. Well, at least not in this dimension. But that's like the number one thing people would talk about with this guy. Like, anytime they would always mention the fact that he was blind, and there would be interviews and YouTube analysis videos talking about how, he had to come up with something that is scary to himself being blind. He can't just describe a scary monster because he's never seen anything, right? And so, I don't know, to me it just made sense that of course he's blind, and I'm not talking about, what is it, that American blind Stevie Wonder. Yeah, I'm not talking about Stevie Wonder. I'm specifically talking about Stephen King. Like, I don't know anything about Stephen King except for the fact that dude was born blind. Well, apparently he wasn't. But this interview from Philip K. Dick is sure is interesting in light of these revelations. Oh yeah, making some tea too. Also, I think I'm gonna stop smoking cigarettes. I know I've probably just lost the point. Okay, I recognize that much. But yesterday, I tried to what do you call it? Will a dimensional jump into being. I'm not sure if I was successful. I'm not even sure if that's possible. I mean, I may just be mentally ill for all we know. But I swear, after I did that, I tried smoking a cigarette this morning and it just didn't do anything for me. So who knows? Maybe I've jumped again. Ah, delicious. And some tea. Green tea for Dion. Itadakimasu. Okay, to talk about something different than dimensional jumping, I'm gonna leave these two pieces behind. I haven't used them yet once on the journey. This was a cup holder thingy for warm or cold beverages. This right here is just some clear tape. It's not that adherent, so I don't really need it. Leave it behind, save the weight, the space, the complexity. And also, I'm giving Mike all my tobacco. I'm done. Oh, me and Dion left the apartment. We're going to Pizza King. Let's go. We found some delicious ass grapes growing on a fence just right behind us. That white house there in the background. Oh my god. Probably the single best grape I ever tasted. That was really good. And I've been thinking a lot about dimensional jumping and shit. Talking about, I talked to my mom for like an hour today about this type of stuff. It's funny. I always considered her kind of, completely fucked in the things that she believed in. She still believes in a bunch of fucked up stuff. But it's funny how, in some ways, I'm starting to align with her a bit more. Maybe I'm just losing the plot. But enough about that. Let's go get some pizza. We just finished our pizza and now we're back here to the grapes. Let's get a few grapes before we go home, man. They're so good. Right? The bigger the grape, the sweeter, the more flavor development. Oh wow. Are you kidding me? Wow. They're absolutely amazing, dude. And it's like the perfect time to get them too. Alright, we're back. I'm still not tempted to smoke even after eating a pizza. Some shift really has occurred. I still love tea, thank God. Dion and I are going for a midnight stroll. It's nice. It's not too cold right now. Oh yeah, and by midnight stroll I mean I'm on this thing. Of course, right?
A midnight roll?
Yeah, midnight roll, that's more like it. Let's go. Are you heading back over in the direction of the grapes? Is that it? Oh, okay. We just got off the main road, man. I think there was a plainclothes car following me around. I saw it like 3 times in a couple minutes. So yeah, off the beaten path. Let's find another place to go for a walk. Oh, we're just trying to have an evening walk over here. I guess they're not big fans of personal electric vehicles here. Dion and I just got home from our evening walk. He recorded a video about being a real nigga versus being one of the good ones. And funny thing, I was just blasting nigga music all the while from the wheel while he was recording. It actually fits in quite well. But yeah, I'm getting me some rolled oats with milk and sugar before Mike drinks all the milk. I mean, we go through 2 fucking liters a day. It's kind of insane. And we're both having some more tea. Dion's on green tea. I'm on some kind of chai. It doesn't really taste like chai, but it's spicy. Guys, it's the middle of the night and I couldn't stop. I had to have this celebratory eggs and ham. I guess it's ham. Well, no, it's not ham. It's pork. Yeah. And I'm chopping a steak. It's nice. It's basically the morning.